Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So glad to see you. Well, I'm feeling like a kid at Christmas. I'm a little excited today. My shipment from Gorgius came in and I get to try another one of their beautiful units. So several months ago I reviewed the boho curly bang wig, and if it was an indicator of everything else that you can get from Gorgius, and it was definitely something to get excited about, because that is one unit you could just take out of the box, do a little modification on it, boom, you've got a style that is so super cute. I have purchased the Shake and Bomb Shaggy Curly Style Achieve Premium Fiber Wig. I have seen this advertised all over Facebook and Insta, and I just love the style. And again, if it's anything like the other Gorgius wig I have, it's just going to be easy install and a really flattering style. So Gorgius, thank you so much for the lovely accoutrement. And I always love these nice boxes for storage. And here she is. 18-20 inches. So she has a nice parting space right here, transparent. These lovely bangs, all these luscious curls. Not seeing any combs on here, but I'm not mad at that. And an adjustable strap here. Mine came undone, but there is an adjustable strap in the back. Let's get her going. Add a little bit of my Nexus mousse to this. I don't think I want to trim the bottom part of this. I just like the unevenness of it. It just really adds to that, to me, that kind of boho chic. Definitely add some moisture to her so you can get that kind of beautiful wet look to it. I'm kind of a fan of it just like this. I think she is so fun. I love her. Absolutely love her. This is the second Gorgius unit I've purchased, and I am a pleased customer. Can you imagine her with some really knockout earrings? Yes, yes. And she looks good with the pineapple t-shirt. Yeah. Guys, there's a lovely density on her. She is not thick and overpowering at all. She is airy and light. Very nice texture to her. She is worth the investment. I think you will really like her a lot. And where she is all year round, can't you just see this in the summer, guys? Oh my goodness, this is just everything for summer. I am loving her a lot. Guys, I'm really happy to say that Gorgius has a variety of different styles. They don't just go into the curly. They have some beautiful body waves and just these lovely, lovely new additions. They seem to be bringing new stuff in all the time, which is really nice. But if you're really interested in easy to wear, put it on, boom, it looks great kind of hair. Check Gorgius. I'll put the link in the description box and a link also to the previous curly bang wig that I reviewed months ago, and any other similar styles to this that are just easy to install. Check the description box on some of my recommendations, and love to hear what you have to say. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me. If you get this, please write me and let me know how you enjoy it. Guys, I hope you can subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on this. I'd really appreciate it. And we will see you next time.